Today I'm going to show you how to increase privacy and security in Mozilla Firefox using a few simple settings that can make a big difference. If you use Firefox every day for browsing, shopping, streaming, or logging into accounts, these steps can help reduce tracking, improve connection security, and give you more control over site permissions. If you find this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox. In the top right corner, click the three-line menu icon, also known as the hamburger menu, and then select Settings. This is where you can customize Firefox for privacy, security, and general browsing behavior. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the most important controls for protecting your browsing activity, blocking trackers, and managing how websites interact with your browser. Now let's start with tracking protection. Find the Enhanced Tracking Protection section. You'll usually see options like Standard, Strict, and Custom. For stronger privacy, select Strict. This gives you more aggressive protection against cross-site tracking cookies, tracking content, crypto miners, and fingerprinters. In simple terms, Firefox will block more of the hidden tools websites use to follow you around the internet and build profiles based on your activity. Keep in mind that strict mode may sometimes cause parts of a website to load differently, especially on pages that rely heavily on third-party scripts. If a site doesn't work correctly, you can temporarily switch back to standard for that site, but for everyday browsing, strict is the better privacy choice for most users. Next, scroll down to cookies and site data. This area controls how websites store information locally on your device. If you want better privacy, you can enable the option to delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. That means every time you exit the browser, Firefox clears stored website data, which helps reduce tracking and limits how long sites can keep you signed in. There is one important trade-off here. If you turn this on, you may be signed out of websites after closing Firefox. So if you use a lot of accounts and prefer convenience, think about whether this setting fits your workflow. If privacy is your top priority, it's a very useful option to enable. Next, go to the permissions section on the left side. This area lets you control which websites can access sensitive features on your device. Review permissions for location, camera, microphone, and notifications. These settings matter because a website should never have access to more than it actually needs. Click into each permission category and review the list of websites that have access. If you see any sites you no longer trust or no longer use, remove their access. For example, a website you visited once for a video call or a map service may still have permissions saved. Clearing those permissions helps reduce the risk of unwanted access later. You can also use this section to make your browser feel cleaner and more intentional. Instead of allowing every website to ask for everything, you decide who gets access and who doesn't. That's a big part of browser security, and it's one of the easiest ways to improve your privacy without installing extra tools. Finally, make sure Firefox stays updated. Security updates are extremely important because they often include patches for vulnerabilities and improvements to privacy features. To check for updates, click the menu icon again, then go to Help and choose About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for the latest version and install any available updates. This step is easy to forget, but it's one of the most effective ways to stay protected. An outdated browser can leave you exposed to security risks, while the newest version gives you the latest fixes and improvements. And that's it. By changing these Firefox settings, you've taken a big step toward better privacy and stronger browser security. You've reduced tracking, improved connection safety, managed cookies more carefully, and reviewed website permissions for sensitive features. These are small changes, but together they make Firefox a much more secure browser for everyday use. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.